In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account Dhgate. First, make sure you're on a computer or a phone with a stable internet connection. Open your browser and head to dhgate.com. Sign in using your account credentials. Take a second to confirm you're logged into the exact account you want to remove. Switching accounts later can cause delays. If you use multiple emails, double check which one is tied to your Dhgate profile because you'll need that for verification. Before sending a deletion request, it's helpful, though not required, to contact Dhgate's live support. Scroll to the very bottom of the Dhgate website and open the Help Center or Customer Service section. Choose Live Chat or Online Service. When the chat window opens, clearly type, "I want to delete my account." The virtual assistant may provide specific instructions or direct you to a particular support email. Follow whatever they recommend, and consider saving a screenshot or the ticket number from this conversation so you have a record of the request. Next, send the formal account deletion email. Open the email inbox that is registered to your Dhgate account and compose a new message to the official Dhgate support address listed in the Help Center or the address provided by live chat. Use a simple subject line like "Request to delete Dhgate account." In the body, politely state that you want to permanently delete your account because you no longer plan to use it. Include the email associated with the account so they can locate it quickly, and note that all orders and disputes have been closed. Keep the tone clear and concise, and send the email from the same address linked to your account to avoid extra verification steps. If live chat gave you a specific format, follow that exactly. After sending your request, keep an eye on your inbox. Dhgate typically responds within 1 to 3 business days, but timing can vary. They may ask you to confirm the request again or answer a few security questions. Reply promptly so your request doesn't stall. While you wait, avoid placing new orders or opening disputes, since that can complicate or delay deletion. Also, check your spam or junk folder in case their reply lands there. That's it. You've signed in, optionally confirmed your request through live chat, sent the official email from your registered inbox, and now you're just waiting for confirmation. Once Dhgate processes your request, they'll let you know when the account has been removed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.